What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another money making video. Today we're going to be talking about being a senior happiness engineer at a company called Automattic. Guys, thanks so much for stopping by and for watching this video. We'll get into it, but I do invite you to hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. By the way, just so you know, this is the second time I'm recording this video. The first time the software crashed and I lost everything, but it is what it is. Like this person, I'm going to focus on being happy, and I'm going to focus on bringing value to you and help you make money online. Thanks so much again for everything and for making this channel possible. Let's get into it. So I've been focusing on international jobs a whole lot more lately. Yes, there are many people in developed countries that are looking for work. Awesome. But there are many other people who live everywhere else, right? And so there are people who are very capable who are not able to land these jobs because of where they live. Now, even though the title says happiness engineer, yes, you want to ensure that your customers are happy. You want to ensure that anybody who is working with Automattic is pleased. And so you're resolving a bunch of issues so that they can be on their merry way. And that's pretty much what you will be doing. But it does include a lot of work with some key websites, key companies, key apps. And so we'll be looking at that closely. So it is customer focused, but it's a bit more technical than that. So you can expect to be earning in the region of between $20 to $30 per hour. Okay. So let's just jump into it. Now, if you've never heard of Automattic, you will quickly realize who they are once we're done. Now, as a happiness engineer, you love helping people. Transforming publishing on the web is no small task. Our goal is to build relationships based on trust, resulting in happy, passionate, loyal customers and colleagues. We do this by listening to our customers' needs and guiding them to the fullest use of the products we offer. We are looking for people with the right mix of compassion, writing skills, and technical knowledge to get the job done. Are you interested in learning more about how our team works? Check out what happiness engineers have to say about their work. And this is a review from their staff who are actually happiness engineers. Now, in general, a typical day involves being an active member of a global team that provides 24/7 support via live chat, tickets, one-on-one screen share sessions, and forums. Helping people use Automattic's products including WordPress.com, WooCommerce, Jetpack, Tumblr, and more. And that's what I meant when I said if you don't know who Automattic is, then you'll know quickly. Most people who has internet, a smartphone, and a laptop has heard of WooCommerce before. They have heard of WordPress before. Tumblr, Jetpack. All of these companies are companies under Automattic's umbrella. Now, you'll be troubleshooting, investigating, and creating detailed bug reports. You'll be building a community of support by sharing knowledge and helping team members around the world. Now, being a happiness engineer requires mid to high proficiency with WordPress, HTML, and CSS. Now, experience providing technical support to customers, particularly via live chat, tickets, telephone, or forums. Excellent written and communication skills with a knack for taking technical language and making it understandable for the general public. Okay? A passion for solving challenging problems and proposing elegant solutions. You'll also should have solid ability to identify and accurately document technical issues, have an intense intellectual curiosity and an eagerness to share knowledge with others, patience, grace, and a sense of humor. Happiness engineers must be fluent and eloquent in written English. If you know additional languages, please be sure to tell us. Now, an ideal candidate has created 3 or more WordPress websites, has experience installing and configuring WordPress plugins and themes, is adept at troubleshooting technical issues, has experience creating bug reports, has experience providing technical support to customers via telephone, tickets, live chat, or forums. Now, how you apply? you write a cover letter to let us know what you can contribute to the team. Now you need to proofread it. Okay? Make sure you spell and capitalize WordPress and Automattic correctly. Now, most people use autocorrect software. WordPress would be spelled W-O-R-D lowercase p-r-e-s-s. You need to make sure that your W and your P is capitalized. You also need to make sure that Automattic is spelled A-U-T-O-M-A-T-T-I-C, not A-U-T-O-M-A-T-I-C. Okay? If they see this, they are not going to accept your application. This is a weeding out process. Now you need to ensure that you upload your cover letter and resumes as PDFs, not Word documents or anything else. PDF. Okay? Good. The weeding out process continues. You need to answer one of the following 3 questions. Okay? Or situations, but you need to answer or respond to one of the following prompts in your cover letter. Okay? Tell us, so the prompts are as follows. Tell us about a recent experience you had with technical support. What went well? What would you do differently, if anything? Or tell us 3 interesting facts you'd share over a meal at the Grand Meetup. Now, if you don't know what the Grand Meetup is, follow this link here. Anything you see in blue, like here and here, these are all links that take you to the information about the word that's highlighted. Okay? Now, tell us 3 interesting facts you'd share over a meal at the Grand Meetup. So to learn about what a Grand Meetup is, you click that. Now the last one, 3rd, tell us about a recent technical problem you encountered and how you resolved it. So they want you to answer one or respond to one of these 3 prompts in the cover letter. Okay? If they don't see it, they're not going to accept you. They will not. They are not gonna. Alright? Now, applications that are not complete or that fail to follow directions in this job ad will not be considered. So if you fail to do what they asked you here, watch this, all of this. If you don't do these things, they are going to reject your application. Now, about Automattic, we are the people behind WordPress.com, WooCommerce, Jetpack, Tumblr, Simple Note, Long Reads, Day One, and more. We believe in making the web a better place. We're a distributed company with more than 1,400, 1,400, 1400 automaticians in 80 plus countries speaking 90 plus different languages. We democratize publishing and commerce so anyone with a story can tell it and anyone with a product can sell it, regardless of income, gender, politics, language, or country. We believe in open source and the vast majority of our work is available under the GPL. You want to know what that is? Again, follow this link. Now, diversity, equity, and inclusion at Automattic. We're improving diversity, equity, and inclusion in the tech industry. At Automattic, we want people to love their work and show respect and empathy to all. We welcome differences and strive to increase participation from traditionally underrepresented groups. Our DEI committee, diversity, equity, and inclusion, that's what DEI means. So their committee involves automaticians across the company and drives grassroots change. For example, this group has helped facilitate private online spaces for affiliated automaticians together and helps run a monthly DEI People Lab series for further learning. Diversity, equity, and inclusion is a priority at Automattic, though our dedication influences far more than just automaticians. So their diversity, equity, and inclusion, the scope goes beyond just their staff. We make our products freely available and translate our products into and offer customer support in numerous languages. We require unconscious bias training for our hiring teams and ensure our products are accessible across different bandwidths and devices. Now learn more about their dedication to diversity, equity, and inclusion here, and our employee resource groups by clicking here. And if that sounds all well and good, you click this button to apply. Don't forget, use these criteria when applying. Now, they spoke of cover letter, a cover letter, and clearly you'll submit a resume as well, but they want your cover letter to be sent, your cover letter and your resume to be sent as PDFs, not Word documents, not Google Docs, PDF. Then they want you to make sure that these words, Automattic and WordPress, are spelled how they spell it. So watch your autocorrect, watch your software. Alright? Make sure it's spelled how they spell it, and make sure it's capitalized how they capitalize it. Then you're going to respond to one of these 3 prompts. Not all 3. Pick one. Pick one that you think you will kill. Pick one that you think you will, when you're done explaining the prompt, you're pretty much hired. Don't pick one because it sounds like a good one to answer and then mess up your answer. Pick one that you know you can answer really well. A lot of people will shy away from something because they don't want to be showy, or they don't want to feel like they're being all bougie or whatever. No, pick the one that you can slay. Show what you have. Be the biggest, baddest in this place. Okay? You're here to make money, and you're here to make money to live the life you want to live. Everybody else is responsible for their own lives. You are responsible for yours. Do what you can do to make sure that you get the job. Okay? Stand out. Now, in order to stand out, you can pick your resume, you can create your resumes and cover letters using a free website called Canva. There's a link in the description below. And if you want to know what Automattic is all about, you come here, you see it turn blue, click that link, the website opens up. Alright? It opens up and you can learn more about them here. Alright? If the happiness engineer position is not up your alley and you want to see what other jobs are there, remember I keep saying, anytime you get a lead, see if that lead takes it to another lead. You don't apply to one position to make money online and put all your eggs in that one basket. You need to make sure that you apply to many places, and here's why. You don't want to have a scarcity mindset. By that I mean, don't, and I'm not saying don't kiss people's behinds, I'm saying don't go into an interview settling, I don't want to say settle, don't go into an interview taking less than you know you want, or picking that job because there's nothing else. You are looking to see if this company is a good fit for you as much as they are looking to see if you are a good fit for them. Traditionally, it seems that many people go into interviews thinking that, oh, I really want this job. I really need to make some money. I don't want to mess this up. I don't want them to think I'm dumb or stupid. I don't want them to think that I'm not capable. And so they lie. They don't blatantly lie, but they paint a picture that they are way more than they actually can do. Later on down the road, they end up getting let go. Or you're at the job, you're miserable, you're unhappy because you feel like you have to hold on to this, otherwise you won't be able to make rent, you won't be able to make your bills and other necessities. If you have access to 10 jobs as opposed to one, then your mindset is more, which one do I want? Which one suits me best? Which one will satisfy most of my needs? And it may not satisfy all your needs. Maybe you get the job just to, make ends meet while you're looking for something else. Okay, so that's another option. You take it now, knowing that you're going to find something better eventually, and you are anxiously engaged in finding something else. So when I share these videos with you from one source, see what other gold pieces you can mine out of these leads. So for example, I brought this online money making venture to you, working for Automattic online. Oh look, they're advertising this job post. I wonder if they have another job post that I might be interested in. Go to their website, see if there are other careers that you can apply for. So one lead became 2, maybe 3, depending on how many positions they have open. It could be 10. One lead became 10. Okay? So there are jobs in engineering, and look at this. Off the top of my head, just on this screen, there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my goodness, there's at least 30 jobs. Look at that. 40, 50, and that's just engineering. Designers, business development and marketing. Look at how many leads this is. We've probably gone 60 leads from this one video that I posted. This is the mindset you need to have. You want money to pay for stuff and live the life of comfort you've always wanted to do, to be able to travel and all these things, then you need to be thinking like this. Okay? Making money and making money online, both are easy. It's not hard. It's easy to make money online. It's easy to make money in general, and especially in this day and age, it is easy. And if you keep thinking it's easy, it's going to be easy. If you keep thinking it's hard, it's going to be hard. Guys, I'm a ninja. I've gone on many missions. I've tried affiliate marketing. I've tried drop shipping. I've done surveys and reviews and testing apps and all the yeah. Money's easy to be made. You need to get yours. Okay? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. Thanks for listening to my rant. Go get money. Go make your money. There's no excuse. This is international, from anywhere. It's 100% remote. They said that they have people in over 80 countries speaking over 90 languages. You have no excuse. Get your money. Get it now. When you see this video, apply now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Stay safe. Peace.